is going to be a short tutorial on how to share templates. So let's say I've got myself this wonderful template right here and I want to share it with someone. So what I would do is you need to right click on this empty space here. If you right click on a component, then you don't see the right menu. So when we right click here, you can go to template and do save to file. And now we can, well, as it says, we can save our template file. So this is my Japanese template, so I'll just name it that. And one thing to keep in mind is that when you do save to file, if you type in stuff here, then it's going to also save this. So you need to make sure that there's no text when you're saving a topic or item. So now let me just show you how you would load a template. So now, yes, you've sent your wonderful template to someone else and got it. And what they have to do is, so here we have a new item and we want to apply the template that we just saved. So what you can do is right click on an empty area like before and go to template and then do load from file. And here we have the Japanese template and voila, we have the exact same template. So just something to note is that if you type something here and then you do load from file and then we open the template, then it'll just overwrite it. So make sure to use this only on empty items and topics. So one other thing is that we have the template loaded for a single item, but it's not actually saved in this collection. So what we can do is go to template, save as template, and then save this as a Japanese template. So now we have our new item, and if we do Japanese, then it just loads, and we have it applied. And you can just use it now throughout the rest of your collection. So yeah.